When it comes to enhancing the look, feel, and functionality of your home, doors play a surprisingly pivotal role. They're not just functional entryways but integral design elements that can elevate your property's aesthetic appeal. In Bluffdale, homeowners seeking the perfect blend of beauty, quality, and personalization for their doors need look no further than the expert team specializing in custom door designs and replacements. Here, we explore why custom doors are the ultimate solution for your home and how Bluffdale's experts make the process seamless and rewarding. The value of custom doors. Custom doors are more than just an upgrade, they're an investment in your home's style and value. Unlike off-the-shelf options, custom doors are tailored to fit your home's unique architecture and your personal design preferences. Whether you're envisioning a sleek modern look, a rustic charm, or a grand traditional entryway, custom doors give you the freedom to bring your vision to life. Some key benefits of custom doors include: perfect fit. Custom doors are measured and crafted specifically for your space, ensuring seamless installation and optimal functionality. Enhanced curb appeal. A stunning custom door can make a bold first impression, significantly boosting your home's curb appeal. Energy efficiency. Modern custom doors are designed with energy-saving materials and insulation, helping to reduce your utility bills. Long-lasting quality. With superior craftsmanship and high-quality materials, custom doors are built to stand the test of time. Why choose Bluffdale Door Replacement experts? Bluffdale's door replacement specialists are renowned for their exceptional service, unparalleled craftsmanship, and a customer-first approach. Here's what sets them apart. Personalized consultation. Every custom door project begins with a detailed consultation. The team takes the time to understand your needs, preferences, and budget, ensuring the final product aligns perfectly with your vision. Whether you're looking to replace a front door, patio door, or interior doors, their expertise guides you in making informed decisions. Design versatility. Bluffdale's experts offer an extensive range of design options, materials, and finishes to choose from. Want intricate glass panels for a sophisticated look? Prefer the timeless appeal of natural wood? Or perhaps you're after the durability of fiberglass or steel? The possibilities are virtually endless, and the team ensures that each design detail aligns with your aesthetic and functional goals. Precision craftsmanship. Quality is at the heart of every custom door crafted by Bluffdale's professionals. They combine cutting-edge technology with traditional craftsmanship to create doors that are not only visually stunning but also built to perform flawlessly. Hassle-free installation. A custom door's beauty and quality mean little without proper installation. Bluffdale's installation team is highly skilled, ensuring that your door fits perfectly and operates smoothly. They handle everything with minimal disruption to your daily life, leaving you with a flawless result. Popular custom door options in Bluffdale. Here are some of the top custom door options homeowners in Bluffdale are opting for. Front entry door. a custom front door is the crown jewel of your home's exterior. Whether you prefer a dramatic, oversized design or a minimalist, modern entry, the experts in Bluffdale can create a front door that perfectly reflects your style. Sliding patio doors. For seamless indoor-outdoor living, custom sliding patio doors are a popular choice. These doors not only enhance your home's aesthetic but also provide excellent natural light and energy efficiency. Interior doors. Custom interior doors can transform your home's interior spaces. From barn-style doors for a rustic touch to sleek, modern designs for a contemporary vibe, Bluffdale's team can craft doors that elevate your interiors. Bringing your vision to life. The Bluffdale door replacement experts make the process of getting custom doors a smooth and enjoyable journey. Their customer-centric approach ensures that you're involved at every stage, from the initial consultation and design selection to the final installation. Moreover, they're committed to sustainability, offering eco-friendly material options and energy-efficient designs that align with modern green living standards. This means you can enhance your home while also doing your part for the environment. Elevate your home with custom doors. If you're ready to take your home's design to the next level, Bluffdale's custom door replacement experts are here to help. With their exceptional craftsmanship, personalized service, and vast array of design options, you can achieve a stunning result that truly makes your house feel like home. Reach out to the team today to schedule your consultation and start exploring the endless possibilities of custom door designs. Your dream doors are just a call away.